Which of the following is a supercooled liquid? A. Ice cream. B. Glass. C. Coke. D. Liquid nitrogen. The correct answer is glass. Which of the following can fix nitrogen in soil? A. Pea. B. Wheat. C. Rice. D. Match. The correct answer is P. Which of the following materials has the highest melting point? A. Bauxite. B. Glass. C. Tungsten. D. Tantalum carbide. The correct answer is tantalum carbide. The temperature of ice will dash when it is melting. A. Decrease. B. Increase. C. Remain constant. D. Fluctuate. The correct answer is remain constant. Which of the following would most likely have near zero pH value? A. Milk. B. Pure water. C. Saline water. D. Acid used in batteries. The correct answer is acid used in batteries. Which one is not a primary color? A. Red. B. Green. C. Blue. D. Yellow. The correct answer is yellow. Which of the following chemicals is normally used as antifreeze in cars? A. Hexane. B. Ethylene glycol. C. Ethyl alcohol. D. Benzene. The correct answer is ethylene glycol. Which of the following is a key indicator in measurement of organic pollution in rivers and lakes? A. Venus necklace. B. Biochemical oxygen demand board. C. Total dissolved solids. D. pH. The correct answer is biochemical oxygen demand board. Sweating is an A. Energy neutral process. B. Exothermic process. C. Endothermic process. D. None of the above. The correct answer is endothermic process. Which type of chemical process is tarnishing of silver? A. Neutralization. B. Cleaning. C. Oxidation. D. Corrosion. The correct answer is corrosion. To store potato chips for a longer period, the sealed packet of chips is normally filled with which gas? A. Oxygen. B. Helium. C. Nitrogen. D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is nitrogen. Which of the following assist the eye lens to adjust its focus for viewing bodies at different distances? A. Pupil. B. Ciliary muscles. C. Rods. D. Cones. The correct answer is ciliary muscles. Which of the following materials is normally used in a breath analyzer test to ascertain whether a person is drunk or not? A. Potassium dichromate crystals. B. Potassium permanganate powder. C. Silica gel. D. Baking soda. The correct answer is potassium dichromate crystals. Scorpion venom contains toxins which are A. Proteins. B. Vitamins. C. Cyanides. D. Alkalis. The correct answer is proteins. Which of the following is used in glass industry? A. Sodium chloride. B. Sodium carbonate. C. Sodium bicarbonate. D. Sodium hydroxide. The correct answer is sodium carbonate. Why does the outside of a glass filled with cold water become wet? A. Due to condensation of water vapor in the atmosphere. B. Due to diffusion of water through glass. C. Due to propagation of water on the surface of walls of glass. D. None of the above. The correct answer is due to condensation of water vapor in the atmosphere. Into which color will the yellow-silver bromide turn when exposed to sunlight? A. White. B. Gray. C. Blue. D. Red. The correct answer is gray. Into which color will the yellow-silver bromide turn when exposed to sunlight? A. Due to presence of iron in apple. B. Due to settling of microdust present in air. C. As the original inner color is brown. D. Due to oxidation of an enzyme present in apple. The correct answer is due to oxidation of an enzyme present in apple. Which of the following enzymes found in saliva is responsible for digestion? A. Maltase. B. Pepsin. C. Amylase. D. Trypsin. The correct answer is amylase. Formation of carbon dioxide gas from carbon and oxygen is A exothermic reaction. B. Displacement reaction. C. Endothermic reaction. D. Biochemical reaction. The correct answer is exothermic reaction. The bright color of firecrackers is due to A. Reduction of magnesium. B. Redox reaction. C. Oxidation of magnesium. D. Explosion of metal. The correct answer is oxidation of magnesium. Tobacco plant contains the following alkaloid. A. Resin. B. Morphine. C. Rhizapine. D. Nicotine. The correct answer is nicotine. Which vitamin contains cobalt? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin B12. The correct answer is vitamin B12. Which of the coolant is used in fast breeder reactors? A. Liquid helium. B. Liquid sodium. C. Heavy water. D. Light water. The correct answer is liquid sodium. Who was the first scientist to discover that malaria is transmitted through mosquitoes? A. Louis Pasteur. B. Edward Jenner. C. Ronald Ross. D. Samuel Hahnemann. The correct answer is Ronald Ross. Who discovered that plants had life? A. Satyendranath Bose. B. Jagdish Chandra Bose. C. Jagdish Chandra Ghosh. D. Satyendranath Ghosh. The correct answer is Jagdish Chandra Bose. What is the name of the web-based Geo Portal developed by ISRO and made available for public use? A. Gagan. B. Akash. C. Prithvi. D. Bhuvan. The correct answer is Bhuvan. Which one is the commercial and marketing arm of ISRO? A. Devas Corporation Limited. B. Antariksh Corporation Limited. C. Antariksh Corporation Limited. D. Space Applications Center. The correct answer is Antariksh Corporation Ltd. Which part of the Cinchona plant is used for treatment of malaria? A. Leaves. B. Roots. C. Bark. D. Seed. The correct answer is bark. Who is known as the father of nanomaterials? A. Richard Feynman. B. Niels Bohr. C. Max Planck. D. Ernest Rutherford. The correct answer is Richard Feynman. Detoxification is A. Treatment to drugs. B. Treatment to alcoholism. C. Treatment to tabacism. D. Treatment to AIDS. The correct answer is treatment to drugs. The planet with the shortest year is A. Earth. B. Mercury. C. Mars. D. Pluto. The correct answer is Mercury. Paralysis is caused by disorders connected with A. Brain. B. Kidneys. C. Heart. D. Liver. The correct answer is brain. Which of the following is required for the clotting of blood? A. Monocyte. B. Macrophage. C. Platelet. D. Eosinophil. The correct answer is platelet. Which of the following vector transmits the causative agent of sleeping sickness, Trypanosoma brucei, to human host? A. Sandfly. B. Tsetse fly. C. Housefly. D. Triatomine bug. The correct answer is Tsetse fly. One of the following is grown as biofertilizer. A. Lotus. B. Azolla. C. Hydrilla. D. Acarnia. The correct answer is Azolla. Which of the following radioisotope is used in the treatment of cancer? A. Co-60. B. P-30. C. I-131. D. U-235. The correct answer is I-131. Which of the following chemical is used in photography? A. Aluminium hydroxide. B. Sodium chloride. C. Potassium chloride. D. Silver bromide. The correct answer is silver bromide. Which among the following diseases would not be treated with antibiotic? A. Cholera. B. Polio. C. Typhoid. D. Tuberculosis. The correct answer is polio. Pernicious anemia is caused by the deficiency of A. Vitamin B. B. Vitamin B12. C. Vitamin C. D. Vitamin K. The correct answer is vitamin B12. Dextrose is a form of A. Sucrose. B. Lactose. C. Maltose. D. Glucose. The correct answer is glucose. Insects can move on the surface of water without sinking due to A. Hydrostatic upthrust. B. Dynamic lift. C. Viscosity of water. D. Surface tension of water. The correct answer is surface tension of water. A device which would not work on the moon is A. Thermometer. B. Spectrometer. C. Siphon. D. Spring balance. The correct answer is siphon. Glass will crack if it is suddenly heated or cooled because of its A. Bad conducting nature and high coefficient of expansion. B. Transparency. C. Plasticity. D. Density. The correct answer is bad conducting nature and high coefficient of expansion. The temperature which is also called absolute zero is A. 0 degree C. B. 0 degree F. C. 273.15 degree C. D. 273.15 K. The correct answer is 273.15 degree C. Electroencephalogram is used to obtain information regarding which of the body organs? A. Heart. B. Brain. C. Kidney. D. Liver. The correct answer is brain. The foot and mouth disease in cattle and buffaloes caused by A. Bacteria. B. Virus. C. Protozoa. D. Molds. The correct answer is virus. Most of the weather phenomena is confined to A. Troposphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Mesosphere. D. Ionosphere. The correct answer is troposphere. Which of these is called stranger gas? A. Xenon. B. Krypton. C. Argon. D. Neon. The correct answer is xenon. Chalk which is used for writing on blackboard is made up of A. Sodium bicarbonate. B. Calcium carbonate. C. Potassium hydroxide. D. Sodium nitrate. The correct answer is calcium carbonate.